Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a resource that I just recently came to find on the internet, and that is when we're doing card sketches, is this website that has card maps on it, and also paper maps, a scrapbooking sketch as well. And it's by quarter, so October is for October, November, December, and they give you all these card sketches to kind of give inspiration of, and there's an archive on there, so you can print these out as PDF, and then that can inspire you to come up with some different designs. So I did the card map one for this year's last quarter, the quarter that we're on. Let me show you what materials I have. I have already white embossed this Happiest Christmas Wishes, and this is on Bermuda Bay with Dashing Deer. Fun stamp set here. So I have that already done just to save a little bit of time. And then I have an 8.5 by 5.5 card base that we're going to cut in half, and then I have the digital file for Echo Park's, is it Echo Park or Cartabella? From Snap Click Supply. So I have this, let me show you. So I have this card base that we're going to go ahead and fold in half. You simply have to fold it in half. So this is half of a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And we're going to do a top folding card like that. And then you can layer in a piece of white paper that is 5.25 by 4 to do your writing on. So I have a piece of the digital paper, and this is a 5.25 by 4, and I'm going to go ahead and mount that on there. I should show you the one we're doing. The one I'm doing is this one here. So you're going to see that I'm changing it slightly, but it's basically some horizontal strips and then some snowflakes and a sentiment. So keep that in mind as we go through it there. So I've got my base on here. Then I have a piece of that Bermuda Bay that I'm going to use as sort of a strip of color. I have a strip of the digital paper in the trees, and I have a piece of vellum that's going to go over that. And that is about 1.25 inches, I would say. I'm going to go ahead and line that up like this. Cut that, on there. I'm going to very carefully, this dries clearly, so you're going to kind of want to put the glue for the vellum over where your snowflakes are going to kind of be. So kind of map that out ahead of time. Maybe don't need a ton anyway to hold that on, and I'm just trying to layer that. I'm just trying to mute that red color just a bit. I just want a little piece of this Bermuda Bay poking out on top here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim off the excess. So where you're seeing little blobs of blue, hopefully that's in frame, we're going to put our snowflakes. So I cut out the dies. I've got a red glimmer paper here, a couple gold ones, 3 gold ones, and 2 small red ones. And then of course we have our sentiment that we are going to go ahead and trim down. So let's lay everything out. So I'm going to go red, gold, red, kind of being strategic there. Card sketch right here, and here's what we have so far. So you can vary it a little bit, you know, it's just a bouncing off spot. Put in place. This is meant to be a quick project. just like that. And there is a quick and easy card sketch. And like I said, you're going to want to squish my stickles, but you can put a panel in there to write on, and then you have a super fast card sketch. This is the one we were following, and this is what we came up with. So you can see there, this website will give you some great ideas, or you could design your own and come up with some super fast cards to make for the holidays. So that is a fun time to hand out cards and things. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day.